Howdy, SoCloseToToast. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome back, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you had a wonderful weekend, and you're ready to get this week started with some beatbox battles, baby. That's right, we finally checked out all the tag teams, and it is time to watch our first beatbox battle from GBB 2023. And it's a heater. These two teams I thought were going to be in the grand final, and we're getting them in the very first battle. I don't know how to feel because I want them both to go all the way, but this is a competition only one can make it on. Ladies and gentlemen, drop the L, hit the bell if you're ready to check out Rogue Wave versus Rofu. All right, y'all. Let's waste no more time. Let's get right into it. Are we even ready?
Into the battles we go.
This?
There are only 4 teams left.
I don't know.
残りは
man.
4チーム。
First up,
最初は
from France.
フランスから
Can I get a doolala? Can I get a doolala?
Oh, man, the
Make some noise
anticipation
for
is killing me.
Rogue Wave!
Oh man, I just want him to get into it.
Hit him with the
Collapse, River, Rogue Wave.
They got to match
They
Rofu's
ranked first
energy.
overall during the elimination rounds, and here they are in the first battle.
予選では素晴らしいショーケースを見せてくれました。
But
Scott with
versus
the eyebrow.
対するは
Looking like the rock.
from Japan,
日本から
give it up for Rofu!
Hit him with the
Since Rogue Wave
They're looking
ranked higher,
serious.
they have chosen Rofu to go first.
Classic.
You'll be going first.
Yeah.
Radio live and direct once again, Tokyo. We're going to go and get into the tag team battle. GBB 23. I ask you left,
I
right,
haven't
side
watched
to
a
side,
battle
up
in
top, in the
forever.
back. Everybody, are you ready?
It's been too long.
Rogue Wave versus Rofu. You already know what to do. I say the sun, you say the knee and the ish. In sun!
Yo,
1 minute, 30
We love
seconds to drop it.
freestyle.
Put it all on.
Okay. 리벤지 마치. 우라!
We know the capabilities of Rogue Wave.
Yeah. This is freestyle. This is Hokkaido style, you know? Yo, we are the Frozen Bomb. Make some noise! Woo! 육회 모리모리. 육회 모리모리. Do you understand?
That's hard.
육회 모리모리.
Is it enough?
Switch!
Oh, man. Oh, man. The techniques. already, man. I gotta bring that back. I'm sorry. That the build up.
準備ですか 騒げ
Getting the crowd clapping.
Everybody jump.
They're blowing my mind. They got Rofu jumping, the crowd jumping. Woo. Round one already delivered.
Listen now. 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。Yo, we are love from Japan. Are you ready, JBP? Yeah, listen. 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。
Oh, I love that pattern.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. We are not from Japan.
Always bringing that humor.
Are you ready? 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言いますね。
Dude, they brought that energy, that's for sure.
Hey, yo, everybody, are you ready?
That's all it takes. That's all it takes to get the crowd on your side immediately.
Hey, yo, everybody, are you ready?
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
Gunshots in the ribcage. Gunshots in the ribcage.
Yo, Klaus with the kick. Wait.
Gunshots in the ribcage.
Dude, the techniques. I'm sorry, guys. I'm breaking immersion. I gotta bring it back, man. It just keeps hitting. This drop. My heart is gonna pump out of this briefcase, man. Damn. sounds so good. Yeah, Alem, you better be impressed, man. You can do that, just you. Man. Woo. I'm out of breath just watching them. Well, I mean, hate to say it, Rofu did their best. But to me, the ear test says Rogue Wave.
What a crazy battle in the tag teams right here, but
They
only
kinda
one to
captured
move
the
on to the
crowd
finals.
and
We go to our judging panel.
took 'em
Judging panel.
from
It will
Rofu
be
in that last
blue
round.
for Rogue Wave.
青がログウェーブ、
It will be red for Rofu.
ロフが赤色になります。
I'll say the 3, y'all say the 2 and the 1. Judges in 3. Give it up for Rogue Wave.
Yeah, backwards. That Pasha.
Hit him with the
Yeah. That last round, the outro was...
You have not seen the last of them, but
How
they'll
do
be
they
in the
top
small
that?
finals.
How do they
Make
go
some
to
noise
the
for
next
the
level
amazing
from there?
Rofu.
And that seemed to be a rematch from 2021. They battled each other just to see these beatboxers grow within themselves and then become tag teams and just to ascend to this unbelievable level of skill in beatboxing. It just makes me just so proud of beatboxing and how far it's come. And to watch something like this with the crowd reacting in the way that they were and the beats being just so clean and everything thought out so well. Everybody that partakes in this competition is just pushing beatboxing to new heights. And it's still a mystery to me how beatboxing is this underground kind of genre of music. But I'm so thankful we have people that can showcase their skills in this way. Ladies and gentlemen, what did you think of Rogue Wave versus Rofu? Who did you think deserved to win? Did you agree with the judges? What was your favorite part? I gotta say, I enjoyed both tag teams round ones. Rogue Wave, though, they're coming in on a mission to just tackle all these tag teams. They're going to be a tough opponent. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for stopping by, saying hi. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, drop the L, hit the bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, shake 'em, and...